Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to download Fortnite on iOS. Firstly, if you previously downloaded Fortnite on an Apple device, go to the Apple App Store on your iPhone or iPad and tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Tap on the Purchase section, then select My Purchases to view all apps associated with your account. Just use the search bar on My Purchases page to find Fortnite. When you locate Fortnite, just tap on the cloud icon next to it to start the download. Once the download completes, Fortnite will be installed on your device. Just note that these steps are based on an iPhone 12 mini running on iOS 17.2.1, and the exact steps may vary slightly based on your device and software version. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.